Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to add a Google account onto your Realme 11 Pro Plus. Let's begin! So, as you can see, whenever I will go to, for example, Play Store or anything Google related, I will see the option that, hey, I am not logged in. So technically, I could click that sign in button, and you can do that too. But instead, I will go with the official way, and I will head into the settings. Now, in the settings, I want to scroll down until I will see a section called Google. Also, we could go into users' accounts, then add account, and add the Google account, but this technically requires more clicks than simply going to Google and then sign in. After we click that, we have to input our current login password to really verify that, yeah, we are indeed and we want to add the Google account. And now you want to add your email or phone. Of course, if you don't have a Google account, you probably want to watch our Create a Google Account tutorial, which is pretty cool. However, if you already have, you can just input it here. And as a little nice fun fact, you don't really have to input the gmail.com part, you can just remove it completely. And you'll notice that this actually still works anyway, which is a very nice feature, especially if you have to log in frequently. So now we want to wait. And Google has found our account, and we must confirm our identity by inputting our password. Of course, if you have forgotten your password, you can always go into Forgot Password, and then you can try to contact Google support, but generally speaking, they will just send you another refresh link for resetting the password, usually on other Gmail account or on the phone number if you have provided them in the past. But if the password is correct, we will be able to click Next. And now I can choose who will be using this device. I will go into I will be using this device, since choosing the latter option will send you through the painful process of configuring the family link, which basically is parental controls, which personally I am not a big fan of. So I will just hit Next. And now we have to agree to Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and finally Google Privacy Policy. Let's go with I agree. Of course, if you want to read them, you can always click and read them. But these are pretty long documents, so be careful. And congratulations, you have now successfully added a Google account. As you can see now, we'll be automatically logged into, for example, YouTube. You'll notice that we can disallow, and we are already logged in here. We can also, for example, go into Play Store, and we are also logged in, which is pretty cool. And that's all for this video. Found it useful? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.